Let's see how to change proofing language in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, by default, Microsoft Word has its proofing language set to English. However, if you want to change this proofing language, let's say we want Microsoft Word to check our document or to review our document in a different language. So what we can do is first head on over to the review tab, and from here, click on language under the language section and click on set proofing language. From here, simply look for the language that you want to set your proofing language to. And when you've chosen the language, click on OK, set it as the proofing language for your document. You can also highlight or select text to change the proofing language for a particular block of text, or you can set it for the entire document. You can also set a proofing language as the default every time you open Microsoft Word based on the normal template by clicking on Set as Default right here. And that is how you can set proofing language in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.